Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make Rangoli powders with waste materials. Take some grated coconut in a mixie jar and then add water to it and then grind it into a fine paste. Squeeze it completely and do not throw it. You can just store them in a plastic container. The coconut milk can be used for making curries. These are the waste remains of the coconut. You can add colors to them. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. You can also use watercolors. Allow it to completely dry under the hot sun. Draw a design on the floor and then fill the colors as shown. This is the final look. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.